What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video. Hi guys, this is an exciting video. I don't know if you've heard about this app called QAPITAL, spelled with a Q. So QAPITAL, QAPITAL. I've been using the app now for about a year, and basically what this app does is it helps you automate your finances. So if you're somebody that struggles with managing your money, this app comes in and helps you be able to set rules that would help you save money. So take for instance, you can go in there and set a rule that, hey, every time you spend let's say $1, you put $1 in your savings account. Every time you spend any money with some change, say you spend $3.20, it will round that up to $4 and then put 80 cents into your savings account. Likewise, you can set as many rules as you want, and depending on your situation. It's a really good app. I've been using it for about a year now, and I think it's awesome, especially for people that are starting out and they struggle with being disciplined with their spending. So this app is excellent. But usually the way the app works is when you refer somebody to use the app, they'll give you $5 and that person gets $5, which is awesome. I mean, that's what most apps do, or most companies do, to try to get people to use their product. But I just got an email. I got an email yesterday from QAPITAL, and they're saying, hey, within the period of December 18 to January 31st, 2019, if you refer 10 people and they sign up to the app, like I say here, so for 10 referrers, if you refer 10 people and they sign up to the app and they connect their bank account and they start using the app, 10 people, you get $1,000. I mean, think about it. That is awesome. All you need to do is refer 10 people to sign up for this app and start using it. You get $1,000. So they'll pay that money according to the letter. They'll pay it by March 2019. That's when they do the payout, which is awesome. So just for getting people to sign up, you get $1,000 deposited in your account. So it's an excellent bonus. I mean, the time that they give you is really tight. They say December 18 to January 31st. So you really have a short amount of time to work with. But hey, you probably know people that need to be able to save money and manage their finances. Those are the people. Help them by helping them to use this app, or telling them to use this app to improve their finances. At the same time, they would get some money and you get some money. So it's kind of a win-win. I mean, for me, it's a no-brainer. So if you haven't already signed up for this app, I have the link in the description below. Definitely click on my link, because I'm going to need your help to get to 10 people as well. Click on my link and sign up, or download the app and sign up and get 10 more people to join you so you can get your own $1,000. So hey, let's jump over to my computer so I can show you guys the exact mail that I got from QAPITAL. So as you can see, guys, this is the email I got from QAPITAL. So it says now referral bonus terms and conditions. So as of December 18, January 31st, 2019, referral bonus of $1,000 for 10 QAPITAL referrers. No purchases or payment is necessary to participate in the promotion. That is an excellent thing, because they're not asking you to buy or sell anything. No, it's as easy as they come. Most importantly, no purchase or payment is necessary to participate, which is sweet. Normally, if somebody just referred you to QAPITAL, you get $5 and they get $5. But now they just up that game to $1,000. So here it is. Payments are going to be after March 2019. So after 3 months or after 2 months, you get paid. I mean, to get $1,000 free. How about that? That's an excellent way to start your new year. So yeah, there it is. It's just that simple. Nothing more to it. I would say definitely go out there, check it out, give it a shot. and share the link. I mean, my link is in the description below, so if you can click on that link and sign up, and then and share it with other people. That would be awesome. So yeah, that is just our simple and straightforward process. So there you go, guys. As you can see, it's just that simple. There is no tricks here, nothing. It's very straightforward, as clean as it can be. Get 10 people to sign up for the app and connect your bank account and start using the app, and you get $1,000. It's just that simple. That's as easy as they come. So I don't know about you guys. I'm super excited. Again, I'll put the link in the description below. Definitely go sign up for the app and check it out, and you get people to sign up so you can get $1,000 to start your new year. How about starting your new year with a bang? If you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And hey, spread the word. On Facebook, Twitter, share the word and have people sign up. And as always, stay motivated.